Hey everyone, want to create mind maps in Excalidraw? Mind maps are a great way to organize ideas, brainstorm projects, plan content, and visualize information. Excalidraw makes the process simple with its freehand drawing tools, shapes, connectors, and infinite canvas. In this full guide, I'll show you how to create mind maps in Excalidraw in 2026. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official Excalidraw website. Yeah, you can start creating a mind map immediately without signing in or installing any software. Next, place your main topic in the center of the canvas. Use a circle, rectangle, or any shape you prefer, then add a clear title using the text tool. Now create the main branches that connect to your central idea. Use arrows or lines to connect each major topic, giving every branch enough space for additional ideas. Continue expanding your mind map by adding subtopics beneath each main branch. You can create as many levels as you need to organize related ideas. Customize your mind map by changing colors, fonts, line styles, and shape sizes. Grouping related ideas with matching colors makes the map easier to read and understand. When your mind map is complete, open the Export menu and save it as a PNG, SVG, or Excalidraw file. This lets you share your work or continue editing it later. And that's how to create mind maps in Excalidraw in 2026. Whether you're brainstorming ideas, planning projects, organizing study notes, or outlining content, Excalidraw provides a fast and flexible way to build mind maps for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.